Okay, so we're back. Welcome back to Sunshine and Country. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That helps with the algorithm and helps to get our videos out there so more people can see these and get more tips and ideas and helpful things. Anyways, we're back. This is the How Much Hair Do Aussie Shed? Miniature American Shepherds is the proper name. But anyways, so this is all the hair we wound up with right here. And this is just one combing now. She could probably shed this much at least once a week. Maybe more. So, are you glad you got brushed? You're looking good, girl. He says, well, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm ready to get off the video. She wants to come down here and see her moms. Her moms. So how long would you say, Mai, that it takes to comb her when you have to comb her?
I don't know. I think I started at 2, so what time is it now?
I don't know. I can't see.
Probably 30 minutes.
So about 30 minutes. Okay. Well, there you go. She's feeling good and frisky too after getting combed. Have a sunshiny, blessed day, y'all.